Whew. All right. Today, well, first of all, excuse my messy garage with random car parts and weights. But today we're going to be installing the GT350 trackpack spoiler. I'm not going to go through like the whole entire install process because this has been done I don't know how many times now. I've actually even already done it on my 2015 before. It's not that hard. You literally pop the trunk. You're going to remove this, unscrew these, push pin those. There'll be 4 bolts, one here, one there, one in there, one in there. Then this, you're going to either pry it off with something plastic. You can tape around it so you don't mess anything up, or you can use like fishing line, something like that sort. I wouldn't recommend using anything other than those two. Like, I've seen people use dental floss, but it's just too thin. It usually just breaks. Excuse the car being dirty. As you can see, the weather is not the greatest. But I'll have to prep this thing, turn it over, put some 3M on the back of it. It came with a couple bolts as well, and I have some alcohol right there and a heat gun to, well, I'm not gonna lie, it's a hairdryer. I don't know where my heat gun is. To help get the adhesive off and everything, and to warm up that 3M to make it stick even better. So I'll pick back up when I have the stock spoiler off, and you can kind of see what's going on. All right, afterwards, it's gonna look like that. You'll have all your random holes. So I'm sure some of these holes will fit like the performance pack spoiler and stuff, but online it said it wouldn't. I like the performance pack spoiler personally. I think it's one of the best looking spoilers for this car. Ford actually did a good job on that. But the 350 spoiler also looks great, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not gonna run it for forever because I really like the True Fiber ducktail, the MMDV series and stuff like that. But I got this one for, dude, it was a steal. So I need to remove all this 3M, get other stuff situated, and we'll be ready to put the new wing on. All right, so we got it on. Yeah, it really changes up the rear end of the car, obviously. Looks good. I don't know. We'll see how long I run this spoiler. It was a cheap one. I didn't pay much for this. I'm gonna be honest, it's an eBay special. And it kind of shows it just a touch, but honestly, unless you watch this video, you don't know it's even from eBay. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the True Fiber duck lip spoiler in the future, but it's like $600 and something, so that's why I just went with this one for now. This Friday is tent finally. Springs have been ordered. Still have shifter stuff to put in, and possibly gonna do wheels. I haven't decided yet. So I would stay tuned. I'm gonna do a video on the springs, gonna do a video on the tent, gonna do a video on, which the tent's just gonna be like a catch-up video. I'm gonna do a video on the springs, tent, and the shifter install stuff. And then once I do wheels, then we'll see. Still won't be done, but it'll be close. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe, notifications, all that good stuff if you want to. If not, it's all good. Take it easy.